Yeah, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is kingsfx trader right here. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I release a new video like this. Okay, now in this video we are going straight to the point. We are going to be learning a simple, easy and quick strategy. Okay, we are going to be learning a strategy, very simple, easy to picture, and we are not going to be using any indicator in this strategy. We are going to be using it on boom and crash and volatility. Okay, now this strategy can also be used on currency pairs. Okay, it's very simple strategy. It's a price action strategy. Now all we need to do is to head onto our chart, and once we head onto our chart, I'm going to draw something. I'm going to show you a drawing how the strategy works, how the price reacts to the strategy, and we go and see exactly if we have an entry, and we can enter a trade in this analysis. Okay, now if you are ready, I am ready. Let's dive into it and see how it works. So this strategy is known as the base pattern strategy. Base pattern. Okay, this is base pattern. You see the price, you just need to identify a trending market. Okay, it might be an uptrend, it can be also a downtrend. So anyone, whether uptrend or downtrend, there's no issue. All you need to do is discover the price making it swing high, swing lows. Okay, like at this point, let me pick this. Okay, you can see at this point the price make swing high right here. Okay, then swing low, swing high. So at this point, the swing low, at the swing low, the price starts ranging at a point. Okay, you can see how the price range at that point. Okay, so once the price range, just pick your line and draw a kind of mini, will I say mini support level, and sorry, resistance level, support level. Okay, just draw a horizontal line, draw your pattern right there, which is the base. Okay, this is just like a base, a foundation for the next movement. You know, the price, when the price is trending, it means that the price is going towards a direction for a long period of time, right? So if it is trending up, we're expecting the price to go up for a long period of time, right? So, and the price going for a far journey, we always rest. Okay, so at that resting moment, instead of just a pullback or retracement, the price will tend to rest more at a position. Okay, like here. Okay, instead of just pulling back and continue the up movement, the price decided to rest, they kind of enjoy its stay at that point. Okay, they kind of range a bit, you know, creating or forming a foundation for another movement. Okay, once you see this, then you draw your line. Okay, you draw your horizontal line, then allow the price to break here. So at this point is where we'll be buying, guys. Once it breaks out from this point, okay, we are going to be buying at this point. You can see my arrow. Okay, we are buying there. Once the price breaks our uh, resistance up there, once the price breaks it, we buy. So the same thing here, when you can see this pattern right there, the price came back, kind of pull back a bit, you know, and start resting. Okay, at this point it's creating a foundation for another movement. So you draw your line basically, and you wait for a breakout. Okay, this is an uptrend, so you are only targeting for a buying opportunity. You are not looking for a breakout downward. Okay, once it breaks out downward, we are not trading. We are looking for a breakout upward, because we have already seen that it's an uptrend, so we are looking for only buying opportunity. So at this point, you can see after the ranging, at this point the price breaks above at this point. Okay, so all we need to do again is to come to this point, okay, and buy. We are buying again at this point, guys. So we buy here after a breakout. Okay, the same thing happened here. We are still going to buy at that point. We are still going to buy at this point. After a breakout, we buy. So the same thing happened again, guys. This is a very simple strategy, a very simple strategy. You don't need to uh know everything about forex trading for you to use this strategy. You don't need to know about indicators for you to use this strategy. It's very simple and straight to the point. Just identify a trend. If it is trending up, wait for a pullback. After a pullback, just wait and see how the price reacts at that swing low. If it is trending up at this swing low here, you don't just enter a buy here because you see a pullback. No, you just have to wait. We are not trading pullbacks here, we are trading base pattern. So you want to see a base price creating a base or a foundation for another movement. After that, you draw your line and wait for a breakout. So once the price breaks out from that our base, then we enter a trade, we enter our buy. The same thing happened here. After a base, we enter. Remember here at this point here, I did not say we are buying. Okay, let me stay mark out this point. At this point, this is a pullback, right? But we are not buying. We are not buying because we want the price to range a bit at this point. Assuming the price reacted or ranged at this point, forming a base or foundation, then we are targeting a buy. But it's just a pullback. Even though it went up to our direction, it still go up, but we are not buying. Our condition is that we want to see where the price range. After a ranging market, the price will break out from that point, then we enter our buy. As simple as ABC, guys. This strategy is very simple and one of its kind. So let's check the chart. All right, let's check the chart and see if we have any example. All right, so here we have something like this. You can see this is boom 1000. Okay, I told you that this strategy works on boom 1000 volatility. It was on boom and crash. Okay, volatility, and also work very well on currency pairs. Okay, very well on currency pairs. If you are using it on boom and crash, use a higher time frame like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour time frame. Okay, but if you are using it on volatility, you can use it on 5-minute time frame and above. You can use it also on currency pairs. Okay, base pattern. Okay, you can see here the price kind of trending. The price is trending up at this point. Okay, you can see the first base here. After a breakout from the base, we enter our buy. Okay, at this point, after the breakout, we enter our buy. Then look at how we are going to do it. Now let's say, okay, we are buying here. So the question might be, where do we set our stop loss and take profit? Okay, now your take profit should be below this support right there. Okay, your take profit should be below the support. We are buying at this point. Our take profit should be below, a bit below our support. You can see where, sorry, our stop loss. Okay, our stop loss should be here. Then our take profit should be twice our stop loss. Okay, twice our stop loss. So at this point, you can see we have our point. Okay, we have our point or percentage 0.78%. Okay, we can use the percentage, we can also use the point, okay, to calculate our take profit level. So it's very simple to calculate. You can see here they are giving you the percentage. This is 1.53%, and our stop is 0.78. So you can just multiply this by 2 and you get the equivalent distance take profit at this point. Okay, as simple as ABC. So you can see our take profit level. Where we buy here, we take profit twice our stop loss, right? So the same way, you can see after this we had another base at this point. You can see the price ranged at this point before it continues its up movement. So at this point we are going to still buy. We are going to still buy at this point. Okay, after a breakout from this line, we buy. Then we are still going to take profits and set our stop loss. Okay, if we buy here, our stop loss below the previous the support level. Okay, below the support level, our take profit should be ×2. Okay, should be ×2 our stop loss. Okay, as simple as that. Our take profit should be ×2 our stop loss. So this is it. And currently we are having something like that happening. Okay, we're having something like that happening now, and there's a kind of breakouts right here. Okay, you can see that green candle. Let me try zoom in. Let me try and zoom in. So you can see this green candle actually closes above our line. You can see it here. This green candle here closes above our line. Okay, so we are right to enter here. We can enter our trade now. We can enter our buy at this point because it actually breaks out of this. Okay, it breaks out of this line, so we are buying according to our base pattern. Okay, so let me go back. So all we need to do now is to pick and drop. Okay, remember our stop loss level below the support. Take profit should be times 2 our stop loss. Okay, times our stop loss, right? So our stop loss is at 0.227%. Okay, so you still measure your take profit level. Okay, so you just measure it and make sure that you are taking times 2 of your stop loss on that trade. So this is the strategy is very simple and easy to picture. That's why I like this strategy. It's a very simple strategy, very easy to picture. So you don't need to start drawing lines, trying to put indicators, trying to bother yourself with a lot of analysis. Too much analysis will always paralyze traders from placing a trade. Okay, so this one you just need to identify a trend. Sorry, if you identify a trend, if it's trending up, you are looking for buying opportunity. After a base, you are entering your trade. Once you discover a base, that is a foundation, a pullback, not just a pullback, but you must see the price reacting at that point, at the support point. If you are buying, you must see the price, the kind of test you can see here. After this point, the price tested this point the first time, go up, come back again, tested the second time, go up, come back again, then before it breaks out of that zone. Okay, once it breaks out of that zone, that's our base zone, we are entering a buy. Okay, and we are taking profit times 2 our stop loss. Our stop loss is going to be below our support level. If we are selling, the opposite is the case. If we are selling, our stop loss should be below our resistance. Okay, but now we are buying, so we are setting it below our support level. So this is how simple this strategy is. Let's see if we can identify another place. This is step index. Okay, this step index, you can see we still have something like that here, though this one is not that clear. Okay, because this is actually look like a ranging market right here. Okay, you can see after the breakout at that point we enter and pick some pips, but this is a ranging market. I said you must identify, first of all you must see a clear trending market. Okay, you must see a clear trending market. So once the market is trending, if it is step index, boom and crash, volatility, if it is trending, okay, then you look for a pullback with a reaction on the support. Okay, if you are buying, okay, if it is trading up, so you must see a reaction like this, seeing the price range between the zone. Okay, once after the ranging, the price might break above, depending on what you are looking for. If you are looking for buying opportunity, breaks the resistance, then you enter a buy. If you are looking for selling opportunity, breaks the support, you enter a sell. As simple as that. Let's see crash and see if we have any example on crash. Maybe crash 300. We go up to 5 minutes to 15 minutes time frame. Alright, so this is crash 300, 15 minutes time frame. Okay, on 15 minutes you can see it's clearly trending up. Okay, but we are just having a pullback, impulsive move pullback. Okay, so currently we are expecting an impulsive move. Okay, but this is not actually the correct. It's from here. Now you can see here the price was making this impulsive move, then pull back a bit, impulsive move, pull back, impulsive move, pull back. But if you look at this point, this pullback now is looking like a base. So we have a trade here. Just pay attention. Remember, we say we are not trading this kind of pullback. You can see this pullback here, so we are not entering any trade here because we needed the price to react to this swing low, right? We have another impulsive move right here and a pullback. We are not entering a buy using this strategy, okay? Using this particular strategy, we are not entering a buy because there is no much reaction down here, okay? And the price keep moving up. Impulsive move, another pullback here. According to this strategy, we are not entering, but now see another impulsive move, and we have a pullback right now. But now in this pullback, you can see that the price started reacting, dropping up and down. At this point, you can see what is happening here. So we are looking out for a positive entry here. We are looking out for an entry here using our strategy. Remember, we said after a pullback, you must see the price start reacting or start ranging at that zone. Okay, once you see the price range at that zone, you wait for a breakout before you enter your trade. So at this point, let me zoom in so that we can see this clearly. Okay, you can see at this point the price pull back from year to year. Okay, so if this price, look at what we are looking for. So if this price should bounce back from here and come back here, okay, after coming back here, maybe shift up again, come back here, or even just this one bouncing back here. Okay, we have our line already. We pick another line and draw. Okay, pick another line and draw. So once the price breaks out, okay, of this line, we enter our buy. Enter our buy at this point. Or if the price breaks from this one at this point here, we still enter our buy. Okay, so we just needed another pullback again to this support level for us to confirm it as a base pattern. Okay, we just need this price now to pull back again into this support level for we to confirm it's a base pattern. But for now, you can see the price just pull back to this support level, even though there are quick rejections here. Okay, it pull back and start going up. So we are waiting for another pullback to this point. So once it pull back, we now have our lines in place, then wait for a breakout above for us to enter comfortably using this pattern, which is base pattern. So you can just go to your chart, look out for this opportunity. It's very simple to picture a lot of opportunity here. Okay, so once you see this pattern form, then wait for a breakout. After a breakout, you enter your trade and enjoy. So if you like what you're seeing, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to comment, don't forget to test these things out, and give me or leave a comment on the outcome of your back testing or your demo testing or your real trading testing. But you don't use your real account to test strategies. Okay, so that is that for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, enjoy.